I've used Excel every day for years. Recently, I accidentally clicked something I'd never seen before. There's a live camera built into Excel that Microsoft has never once mentioned in any menu, any tutorial, or any onboarding guide. Simply hidden in plain sight. Here's the problem this solves. You've got data, a sales table here, a KPI summary there, a product breakdown somewhere else. You want one clean dashboard that shows all of it. So what do you normally do? You copy the tables, paste them in, then manually line everything up, and then the source data changes and your dashboard is out of date, so you do it all again. The camera tool ends that loop entirely. It photographs a live range of cells, formatting, colors, everything, and pastes it anywhere you want, and it stays connected. Change a number in the source, the photo on your dashboard updates instantly. How to find and add the camera tool. First, finding it because Microsoft buried it. Look at the very top of your Excel window, that tiny toolbar with the save icon and the undo arrow. Click the small drop-down arrow at the end of it. Click More Commands. A big window opens. Here's the keyword. In the drop-down on the left, it says Popular Commands. Change it to All Commands. Now scroll to C, find Camera. Click Add, then OK. And now there it is, a tiny camera icon sitting in your toolbar ready to use forever. Example 1. Snapshot a sales table onto a dashboard. Okay, camera is added. Let me show you what it actually does. I am on the source table sheet. I've got a monthly sales summary, 6 months of revenue, units average, order value. I want this on my dashboard without copying and pasting every time the numbers change. So I'll select the range A4 to E12 on the sheet. I click the camera icon. My cursor turns into a crosshair. Watch this. Now I'll switch to the dashboard, click and drag, and there's the table. Perfect formatting, every color, every border exactly as it looks in the source. But here's the part that gets people shocked. This is not a screenshot. Watch the formula bar. You can see a formula. It's not a picture. It's not a screenshot. It's a formula. It's pointing back to the live source data. Let me prove it's actually live. I'm going back to the source table and I'm going to change a number. Like, let me change January's revenue. Now, let's go back to the dashboard. Update it instantly without touching the dashboard at all. No refresh, no repaste, no reformat. The camera just knows. Now, imagine your boss sends you updated sales figures every Monday. You paste them into the source sheet and your entire dashboard is already updated before you've done a single thing to it. Example 2. Build a full dashboard from multiple tables. Now, the real power move. I'm going to add the top products table from the same source sheet, and I can position it wherever I want. Overlapping, side by side, doesn't matter. Now, camera paste, and now I've got two completely independent live tables sitting side by side on one clean dashboard, both updating automatically, both resizable, both movable. You can do this from different sheets, different workbooks. Pull a table from finance, a KPI from operations, a breakdown from sales, and stitch them all together on one page that your whole team can read at a glance. No VBA, no Power BI subscription, just a hidden button Microsoft forgot to tell you about. Now, some popular tips before we wrap up. You can right-click the camera image and go to Format Picture. You can add a border, a shadow, round the corners. It looks like a proper design widget, not a spreadsheet. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments what video to cover next. And if you know someone who's been manually copying and pasting tables every week, send them this video. You'll generally save them hours.